Understanding critical business assets insurance. Introduction: Why business asset insurance matters. Every business depends on its assets to generate income and deliver services. These assets can include physical property, technology, intellectual property, and even people. Insurance protects these vital assets from loss, damage, or unexpected disruptions. In this video, we explore the types of critical business assets you should insure, the insurance options available, and how to assess your unique needs. Whether you're operating a boda fleet in Nairobi or a manufacturing firm in Germany, asset protection is essential for continuity and growth. What are critical business assets? Critical business assets are the core resources a business needs to function and earn income. These assets fall into three main categories: physical assets, buildings, machinery, computers, stock, and vehicles. Intangible assets, trademarks, software, brand equity, and proprietary processes. Human resources, key employees whose experience or leadership drives operations. For example, a fish processing plant in Kisumu relies heavily on its cold storage systems, a physical asset; branding, an intangible asset; and its operations manager, a human asset. Why insure your critical assets? Insurance helps your business recover financially after disasters, theft, or accidents. It ensures you can keep operating even after a setback. Key benefits include financial protection, avoid major losses from damage or stolen assets. Business continuity, quickly resume operations after a crisis. Risk management, reduce the impact of unpredictable events. Investor confidence, show stakeholders you're prepared for uncertainty. A maize mill in Eldoret that ensures its machines is better positioned to restart production quickly after fire damage. Main types of business insurance. Here's a breakdown of insurance types that protect different business areas. Property insurance covers your buildings and equipment. Liability insurance protects against lawsuits or third-party claims. Business interruption insurance replaces lost income during operational downtime. Workers' compensation insurance covers staff injuries at work. Cyber insurance protects against data breaches and digital threats. Globally, businesses of all sizes use these policies to safeguard operations, from Silicon Valley startups to logistics firms in Mombasa. Insurance for buildings and equipment. Buildings insurance protects premises from fire, floods, and vandalism. Also covers rebuilding costs and liability risks. Equipment insurance covers breakdown, theft, or accidental damage to critical machinery. Useful for manufacturers, clinics, and transport companies. A printing press in Nairobi, for example, would insure its printers and premises against fire or mechanical failure. Insurance for inventory and stock. Inventory insurance is essential for businesses with physical products. It ensures you can replace stock quickly if it's destroyed or stolen. Two main types. All-risk coverage covers most causes of loss. Named perils covers only specific events listed in the policy. A supermarket in Kisii may use inventory insurance to cover perishable goods, while an online electronics store in London might insure high-value tech gadgets in its warehouse. Insurance for intangible assets. Intangible assets, though invisible, carry huge value. Intellectual property insurance covers loss or theft of patents, copyrights, or trademarks. Covers legal costs if someone misuses your IP. Cyber insurance protects against hacking, ransomware, and data loss. Covers customer notifications, legal fees, and data recovery. A fintech startup in Nairobi might rely on cyber insurance to recover from a data breach, while a software company in Sweden insures its proprietary algorithms. Insurance for human assets. People are at the heart of any business. Key person insurance protects against the loss of essential staff, such as a founder or top manager. Covers recruitment and training of a replacement. Workers' compensation Provides medical and wage coverage for staff injured while working. A law firm in Nakuru may insure its senior partner, while a factory in Japan covers its entire production team for workplace injuries. Business interruption coverage. When disaster strikes, insurance can keep your cash flow alive. Business interruption insurance compensates for lost income during shutdowns caused by fire, flood, or other insured events. Also covers costs like temporary relocation or generator rentals. After a power surge damages equipment, a Nairobi cafe uses business interruption insurance to cover lost earnings while waiting for repairs. How to assess your insurance needs. Start with a risk assessment. Identify your most vulnerable and valuable assets. Consider threats like fire, theft, or cyber attacks. Then determine asset value, estimate replacement or repair costs. Business impact. What happens if the asset is lost? Coverage limit. Choose a policy that fully covers potential losses. A hardware store in Thika might prioritize insuring high-value stock, while a digital marketing firm focuses on cyber coverage. Choosing the right insurance. Smart insurance selection begins with research. Compare policies, look at coverage limits, exclusions, and premiums. Know your risks, align your insurance with your operations. Consult experts. An insurance advisor or broker can tailor a plan for your needs. A Nairobi tech hub working with international clients may need a combination of cyber, liability, and business interruption insurance. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't fall into these traps. Underinsuring. Inadequate coverage leaves big financial gaps. Overinsuring. Paying for coverage you don't need wastes money. Not updating policies. Coverage must grow with your business. Ignoring the fine print. Understand what's excluded. For example, an exporter in Eldoret may miss updating their cargo coverage as exports grow, exposing them to uninsured losses. Cost factors and budgeting. Insurance cost varies based on size of business, industry type, value and quantity of assets, coverage level and deductibles. Tips to save. Bundle multiple policies, e.g., property plus liability. Choose higher deductibles to reduce monthly premiums. A startup in Nairobi might opt for a bundled package with limited coverage to manage early-stage costs. The claims process. After an incident, take these steps. Notify your insurer immediately. Gather evidence, photos, videos, and receipts. Submit your claim forms and documents. Follow up regularly for progress and response. A Garissa-based logistics firm hit by a warehouse fire used documentation to get a swift insurance payout and resume operations within weeks. Why it's worth it. Business asset insurance delivers peace of mind. Keeps your finances protected. Supports recovery and continuity. Builds investor and client trust. No matter your size, from a Kibra-based tailoring shop to a corporate law firm in Johannesburg, insurance acts as your financial shield. Real-life case study. A clothing boutique in Nairobi's CBD suffered a fire. Without insurance, the owner would have lost inventory and faced months of recovery. Fortunately, inventory and interruption insurance kicked in. Paid for restocking. Covered 1 month's rent. Helped them reopen in just 6 weeks. Final thoughts: be proactive, be protected. Business insurance isn't an expense, it's an investment in survival and resilience. It ensures you can bounce back faster, stronger, and more confidently from disruptions. In today's unpredictable world, protecting your assets is non-negotiable. Protect your buildings. Secure your stock. Safeguard your people and your brand. Let insurance do the heavy lifting when things go wrong. Thank you for watching. Stay protected, stay prepared, and build with confidence.